PER, and PMT. These functions are great for figuring out what your loan payment would be on a given mortgage. Suppose we're going to get a mortgage for $120,000. And we go down to the bank and we find out that the annual rate they're charging is 5.75% interest. All right. And it's going to be a typical mortgage. We'll go for 30 years. What would we pay for our payment each month, our monthly payment? Well, we've got to go back and fill in these other green boxes to get that in, to get the information we need for the formula. Future value. It's a mortgage. It's a loan. We always want the future value to be 0. Periods per year, monthly, so it's 12. The rate then is the annual rate divided by the periods per year. B4 divided by B5. There, that's a 12th of the annual rate. The number of periods, instead of dividing, we multiply. That's 30 years times 12 months per year. And we get 360. Now, the monthly payment is simply the PMT function. PMT, and we use the tooltips. Remind us what arguments we need is the rate per period, followed by the number of periods, B7, and put commas after each argument, followed by the present value, 120,000, and the future value, which in this case is 0. And notice you don't need a comma after the last argument. You just put a parenthesis, and presto, we know that our monthly payment will be $729, or $700.29. And notice it's in parentheses. In accounting format, that means negative value, because it's negative cash flow, money coming out of my pocket, going to the bank. That's how you use payment to figure out how much your loan payment will be each month.